Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella, and today I'm doing Meet My Dog or Pet Tag video. Today I have my cute little Buzo with me and I'm gonna tell you more about him. So let's begin. We named him Buzo because my husband used to have a black Pomeranian dog in his childhood and his name was also Buzo. So when we were searching for a dog and luckily we found him and he was also black. So we named him Buzo. So Buzo is back in the family. Right, Buzo? Buzo is a Kava-Poo. This breed is a mix of Cavalier King and Poodle. That's why it's called Kava-Poo. Buzo is from Arkansas state. We live in Kansas and Arkansas is a neighbor state. We drove around 900 miles to get him from a small town of Arkansas from his breeder. My husband is a true dog lover and he spent his childhood with a dog. We wanted to create same memories for our 4-year-old son. That's why we got him. We got Buzo on Ivan's 3rd birthday so that they can have each other's best company. And from the very first moment they meet, they become friends. That was quite strange because I always wanted a golden color dog, but when his breeder sent his video, he was looking so cute. I felt a connection and I decided that he's the one and I have to bring him home. So Buzo turned 1 last June. We celebrated his birthday. I actually baked a cake for him. He got scarves and presents, right, Buzi? Right now he's 1 year, 2 months old, and when we got him from his breeder, he was just 3 months old little pup. There are so many memories, I guess. The day he entered in our life, our whole life changed. He has brought so much happiness in our lives that I can't explain in words. But one thing I remember is in few starting months when we brought him, he used to follow me everywhere. Like whenever I turned back, he was sitting there, next close to my feet. He was literally my shadow and that was so adorable. I play with him sometimes, but most of the time he plays with my son and my husband. I enjoy the time when he comes and snuggles with me, and he does that a lot. Like whenever he sees me sitting, he has to come and sit on my lap, and I think we both enjoy those snuggles. So many nicknames like Boozy, Boozgi, Bujo, Moji Moji because he's a one squishy ball. Buzo doesn't like car rides. Earlier he used to cry a lot in the car. I mean, he was not comfortable. But lately he found a place where he becomes a bit comfortable, and it's my husband's lap or driver's seat window side. I think he needs his touch, maybe that makes him feel more secure in the rides. There's one thing about Kavapoos, that they are very emotional and they need your touch and attention. Maybe that's why he does a very weird, funny act whenever we are getting ready to get out. So what he does, somehow he senses that, okay, they are changing their clothes, they are packing things, it means they are going out. He starts behaving like a chipku and gets so much excited, start barking. And if you tell him that Buzo, you're not going, he'll start barking at you like he's scolding you and telling you, why are you leaving me behind? Buzo! And it happens every single time we go out, so that's bizarre but funny. It feels incredible. I mean, they give you so much unconditional love that you can't even explain. I never had a pet in my life and I never knew this feeling, but now when I have experienced this, I think I can't live without this squishy ball of mine. You know, I have heard this so many times, but now I totally believe that a dog can make you happy and really can make your life better. So that was my pet tag or meet my dog video. If you want to see Buzo more, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is on the screen and in the description box. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and also comment below your pet name. I would love to know that. I will see you all in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Buzo say bye.